Hi guys, and also if you didn't know, we do gaming channel. Well, hi Sunflower Squad, and actually I made a new Bloxburg house. I wish you could see it, but I just couldn't do that video. So let's get into it. So right here I put a pink cactus, cause why not be stylish? This is side. So yeah, and then I just kept the mailbox because why not? And actually, I built this from scratch. This is like a waiting room, and also, guys, some of the doors is open. So, yeah. But this is the waiting room. I put 3 pictures there. So, yeah. Then I put a bookshelf, a couch. Right. Yeah, a couch. Then I got the TV. Let's close that. Oh my gosh. We got the TV. I haven't colored this, which I should color. We got the TV, and I got one of the smallest TVs, but it's like the second smallest. And then there's the dining room, which I think, dining room / kitchen, which I think I like the best out of these, out of them all. I like the dining room. Wait, why is there pancakes? There you guys. So yeah, I think I like this room most of all. This is the bedroom. Let me close this door. Okay, this is the bedroom. It's basically just a guest bedroom. Wait, can I make the bed in this? Oh, I guess not. Oh, wait, am I? Am I making bed? Okay, yeah, I am. This is I put an alarm clock on the end table. Why? Oh my god. Sorry guys, I gotta pay my bills. Oh no! Wait, hold on a sec. I need to get more money. Well, hey guys, I am back. So I think we were in the bedroom. This is bedroom. This is my sister Bada. Hi Bada. Hi. This is the bathroom. Now I don't really like it except the mirrors and the sink. But everything else is just, yeah. This is my bedroom. I just sleep here every day. Oh, this is my bedroom. And yeah. This is just like a little area where all the doors meet. Well, not all of the doors, but like, you know. And we're back in the entrance. And yeah. Oh my god. Since this house is brand new, I forgot to buy an electric box. But I am broke. So yeah, I am broke. That's sad to say. Oh my gosh. Sorry guys. I am literally wasting your precious time. You could be playing Roblox as well, or you could be watching YouTube. Instead, you decided to watch our videos. Sorry.
Sorry, the news is on.
If you can hear that, that's just the news. Nothing else, nothing personal. Well, anyway, guys, I hope you like the video. Bye, Sunny Squad. Bye, do you want to say hi? Bye, hi. They're all the same thing.
Bye.
Oh, you have a little baby cat.